Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of EQs that I've been using lately. Let's hear what we have. The first one I'm going to show you is SSL Channel Strip. It's a native SSL plugin. So I have it on the kick drum. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to push my highs a little bit and set my rate to 3 to 1 and set my threshold. We'll push our release a little bit more. We'll increase the mids and we're ready to listen to it. I'm gonna solo the drums so you can hear how it sounds like. Before, after. The second one I would like to show you is the EQ 550 by overloud. We'll increase the highs a couple of dBs. We'll reduce the lower mids, push our upper mids, and let's listen to it. Before, after. Let's hear it in the mix. Try it and let me know what you think.